7, 8. 1. Right in front of you. To the foot. And push. To the knee. Push. And brush as though close. And then push. Now first. And 1. Boom. Tall here. Easy. Right down to the leg. Oh, now right back into this one. Only. And to the back. Look right. Keep your thumb longest. Look up. Whole head with it. Look down. Good. Arm second, head neutral, and stops. Good. Very nice. So be careful. Just to the back. You're going right. It has to be on the foot and then plie with the knee over the middle of the foot. Yeah. You can't have it roll on the top right now. I mean, face the direction. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's better. And we'll make sure it's square when you face it. Yeah, you were rolling on the inside
I
foot.
think I'm like switching my weight onto my pinky. Like,
You think what? I'm sorry?
I think I'm switching my weight over my pinky.
Yeah, it was okay. I'll keep a look on it, an eye on it. That's pretty common. So like my feet, pronate comes out like that a little bit, right? And so it sits there, and I have to be really conscious of being in the middle, so you as well. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, relevant to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, relevant to the end. Out, in, out, in, relevant. Hold.
Oh! Was that actually something?
No. I mean, that is something. I just fell over. Out, plie, rubber, rest, way, bum, rubber, rest, way, plie. Out, and, bum. Yeah. Right. Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, so this is the last one. Does this one get like a whole count and then it just
Out,
goes
yeah.
Okay.
Yep, we got it.
I was gonna say man.
Very nice. There we go. And boom. Close. Yeah, very good. Boom, really tall out. Go straight to the lower. Yeah, good. Come on. Go back. Now,
cramping.
You can, so go on flat, go right to the other side, please. I'm gonna take a rest, okay? Sorry, I didn't ask before, I apologize.
Okay.
Up here, tall here, yep. Hold on, I gotta make sure, yep, that's what I thought was happening. Just to make sure, yeah. And that way, yeah, because you're sitting like here. Yeah, and that's always, almost always the turnout of the standing leg, right? When that outside hip is up. 1, 2, in, out. Boom, 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 boom. First, fifth, pirouette, plie. 1 slow, 4, 1 slow, 4, first, fifth, roll leg, raise the front of the leg. I'm sorry, pirouette right away. Susu, gaze smash. 5, 6, 7, and boom, and drop, back. Nice and tall, nice and low, so, and first, pirouette. How's that, ladies? I'm sitting lower back and finish, yeah? How are you coming down? Come down softer, with the hip first. Make sure you're right in front of it. And first, fifth. Inside. So, then turn it and stop. Don't slap the foot, don't slap it, roll. There you go. Alright, try not to get your shoulder down. Over here. Go. Side, up, back out. Alright, cross, come on. There you go. First, fifth. You got it. Elbows up. And done. Alright, rest.
How are you?
You look like she's a really something. That's not an excuse, obviously.
Yeah, is there? So, but that one was like, you went,
Really
oh,
bad.
yeah. So generally what happens, right? Generally what happens is we get in here and we're like, I need to like get going. We anticipate with our body. See, that was pretty nice. We anticipate with our body. We need to anticipate with our minds and let our body finish the previous step. You know what I'm saying, right? So if we start going, no, I got it. No, yeah. You need to know that you're going there, but you need to honor the preparation to the step. Yeah, these are getting a lot better.
I know my
There's a
inside.
little bit low, a little bit sitting in the back, yeah, a little bit. And you both, when you finish the turn, you go whoop, and in the back here, right?
I think that.
5 push-ups. Thank you. So, for those of you in video land, every time someone says the C word, we just cannot, they get to do 5 push-ups. If they say it again, they get to do 10,
Oh, wait, I didn't
15,
say
20,
Oh.
so on and so forth. Wait,
I
whatever.
did one with you.
Okay, give me a hand.
Okay.
You did 1. Wow.
1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Balance A, six and new. Balance A, six and new. Pirouette, plie, and finish. Bon, around, and close. And boom, around, and close. Remember, we gotta come over this one. Switch it back. There you go. Over, switch to the back. Inside turn, switch to.
Wait.
It's gonna help keep your hips level. It's gonna help keep your hips forward. I promise you, it's already it's working. It just takes time. Imagine this just like a few months ago.
Oh.
Right? Yeah, it would have been all over the place. So just breathe. Trust the process, right? Yeah. So falling before hey, can we focus a little bit? Yeah. I know it's cold. I've got to hear it. Be in the dance, please. Come on. And I know. Open, and forward. It's not the other one, it's just open. Second. 1. And breathe. Balance second. Balance second. And to the end. And try to do the rhythm, yeah? Open and close. Watch your standing legs. Much better. Close. And bouncing over. Back. Over. Back.
I crossed my.
So I'll do the facing so you can see. Look. Ba and ba, and now what? It's going to be the lowest on the side. Boom. Right? So it goes that way, right? And close. And then here, ba, ba, ba. Right? Honor each one, but that's the juicy one. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then when you step out, big bounce edge. Susu, Sujanu, you have time. Find a good, beautiful Susu, please. And both of you are a little bit here today. And I can tell even in that thing.
What today?
Alright, sitting on our lower back, not using our abdominal wall. Yeah?
Ooh.
Come on, let's go again.
Yeah. I cracked my back earlier. So.
Alright. Hey, quality of the movement, yes? Yeah?